Now, outside in the garden today, oh, it's cold. It's about -2 at the moment, and everything, as you can see, is all frosted. But I'm not filming outside today because in my greenhouse, it's 16 degrees in here today, and it's glorious. Today I'm only wearing a t-shirt. Now, in the video today, I'd like to talk to you about some seeds that have been sent to me and some seeds I'd like to send to you. I'm Gang Gang. Welcome to the channel, Gang Gang and Peanut, 2 peas in a pod. Now this year, I'm really excited because I'm growing varieties I've not grown before. And I'm taking on a couple of challenges. There's the Giant Onion Growing Challenge that's been organised by Pete Trenuth, and I'll put a link to Pete's channel in the description. I'm also taking on the Longest Chili Challenge that's been organised by Jason at Allotment of the Dead, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description as well. But something completely new, I have some seeds, and here they are, and these are a giant cabbage. And these were sent to me by Jimmy, and that's Jimmy at plot 41B, and I'll put a link to Jimmy's channel in the description as well. So thank you very much for the seeds, Jimmy. Cornish giant cabbage seeds. Now if I can grow these giant cabbages and some giant potatoes, some giant broccoli, and find a giant chicken, I could have the biggest roast dinner ever known to anybody. So I'm very excited to grow these. And Jimmy, thank you very much. Now the other thing I'm growing this year, like everybody, I'll be growing some tomatoes. Now every year we all grow tomatoes, whether we grow them in a container on the patio, if we grow them in the garden, in a greenhouse, a polytunnel, or on your allotment plot. They must be the most popular thing for all gardeners to grow throughout the summer. Now I have some tomatoes that I'm growing this year. Normally I grow fairly regular varieties such as Gardener's Delight or Moneymaker, and I also grow a few blight resistant varieties like the Crimson Crush, just to ensure I get something in case blight strikes. However, this year I'm growing some very, very exciting varieties. So the tomatoes I'm growing this year are all rare and unusual varieties, and I'm really looking forward to sowing them. And I would love it if you would join me on a grow along. It's not a challenge, it's not a competition, it's merely a grow along. And if we can grow these seeds and we can show how we sow them, how we look after the plants, how we water them, feed them, which ones give the most fruit, and ultimately all leading up to a taste test to find out which of these varieties of tomatoes taste the best. And we may find that we find a variety that we just have to grow every single year. Now the varieties I have, there are 5 of them, and they all came from a company called Tomato Revolution. Now I'm not promoting them, I'm just letting you know where I bought the seeds. And I bought the seeds mainly because I liked the names of 1 or 2. For example, there is one called a Dirty Curty. Another one is a Great Scott, Chuppa Chups, Eagle Smiley, and Accordion Cherry, and they all look fantastic. You can find out more about these varieties by clicking the link at the end of this video, and that will take you to a video I made that will tell you all about these varieties. Now if you'd like to join me and you'd like some seeds, leave a comment down below and we can arrange to post something out to you. It's going to be on a first come first served basis because I have a limited number of these seeds, but I'm really excited to grow these in the season ahead. So there we are, an invite to join me on a tomato grow along to grow these 5 varieties. Now it's not a competition in any way or a challenge. If you want to do the challenge, then it's the Giant Onion Growing Challenge that's been organised by Pete Trenuth, or you can do the Chili Challenge being organised by Jason at Allotment of the Dead. This is not a competition, It's merely a grow along for a bit of fun to find out which of these varieties is the best. Anyway, I'm Gang. Thank you very much for watching. And as ever, until next time, take care. Bye.